If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo Maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ezedioranma the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ezedioranma. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
The molestation and intimidation of journalists by some men of Anambra Vigilance Service attached to the factional Igwe Collins Chukwumesili during the IRIJI New Yam Festival of Alor community shows frustration as a result of failure by the opposing Igwe Collins, who lost his bid to topple the authentic Igwe of Alor community, Igwe Macanthony Chinedu Okonkwo Ezedioranma III, who celebrated his 10th year on the throne of Alor Kingdom and the IRIJI New Yam Festival on Saturday, 3rd August 2024.
Igwe Eliweagwuagwu Macanthony Chinedu Okonkwo
The massive turnout of Ndi Igwe of other communities, Alor youth, elders, women, children, amongst dignitaries from different walks of life at the palace of Igwe Macanthony Chinedu Okonkwo Ezedioranma III authenticates his reign as the only king of Alor Kingdom and exposing the factional Igwe Collins Chukwumesili as an impostor hiding behind the veil of unprofessional vigilantes to intimidate journalists to alter their stories about IRIJI of Alor community. One of the guests who graced the occasion of IRIJI Alor community at the palace of Igwe Macanthony Okonkwo Eliweagwuagwu Ezedioranma III is the President General of Alor Youth, who categorically stated that IRIJI Alor community must be carried out by the Igwe of the community recognized by God, man, and government in the person of Igwe Macanthony Chinedu Okonkwo Eliweagwuagwu Ezedioranma III. The PG Alor Youth Chief Akubueze Akajigwe highlighted the benefits of the occasion to Alor community.
I'm here in the restaurant and with celebration of 10 years anniversary and New Year festival of our great king, Igwe Macanthony Chinedu Okonkwo Ezedioranma. It's a very good event that we get a lot of benefits.
Also emphasizing on the benefits of IRIJI New Yam Festival in Igbo land, the Ezeegwu Chilechi, one of Igbo land, Dr. Prince Chijioke Mbanefo, prayed for good health, wisdom, long life, and reign as king of Alor community on Igwe Macanthony Chinedu Okonkwo Igwe Eliweagwuagwu Ezedioranma III. As the authentic Igwe of Alor community during the celebration of IRIJI New Yam Festival and the 10th year anniversary on the throne of Alor Kingdom, the palace of Igwe Macanthony Chinedu Okonkwo was guarded by official security forces with help of vigilante to welcome the enormous guests that turned out at the event. Meanwhile, out of guilt of impersonation, the opposing Igwe Collins intimidated and molested journalists who took extra efforts to balance the story about IRIJI Alor Kingdom by rogue vigilante forces that carried out the intimidation without police supervision at a separate event done under hiding. Which is why the Ezedioranma Alor declared that opposition must align with Igwe Macanthony Chinedu Okonkwo Eliweagwuagwu Ezedioranma III, whether they like it or not. However, the colorful event of IRIJI New Yam Festival and the 10th year anniversary celebration by Igwe Macanthony Chinedu Okonkwo Eliweagwuagwu Ezedioranma III attracted government officials which authenticates his reign as the certified official Igwe of Alor Kingdom. The senior special assistant to Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo on events and protocols, Sir Shedrack Chukwujeku Nnanna, aka Shady Joe, the entertainer, emphasized on the importance of New Yam Festival. He also noted the coincidence of the event and the launch of a Farm to Feed project by Governor Chukwuma Charles Soludo.
Eliweagwuagwu is a good man. He's a man of valor, a man of immense character. My prayer is that he will live long on the throne. His throne will bring more prosperity to our people and indeed the entire world, because he has a good heart.
From the palace of Igwe Alor, Igwe Macanthony Chinedu Okonkwo Igwe Eliweagwuagwu Ezedioranma III of Alor, Anambra State, Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekeze reporting.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo Maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekeze Ezedioranma I, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekeze. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.